In this video, we're going to cover the requirements for your assessment 9681. About the assessment is made up of one task, and that one task is made up of two parts. In order to achieve this assessment, you must complete both parts. This assessment is an open book task, so you can refer to your resources on FreshE or on your learner's guide. Now, in this task, you are required to contribute within a team which has an objective. This will be based on the activity that your facilitator will give you. Part A of the assessment, your team must agree on the following. You must agree on your role in the team or in the group, and you must at least outline two responsibilities that you have in the group. So an example that we have shown here is the role may be a parent, but two of their responsibilities will include preparing meals for the family or helping children with their homework. Your team must agree on the following: your role in the group, at least two responsibilities, and the expected behaviors and attitude, i.e. the ground rules for the team or group in relation to the following: respect, timeliness, discretion, confidentiality, language use, and commitment. Now moving on to part B of your assessment. Now in part B, you need to contribute to the group activity. Now as you contribute to the team or group, you must also do the following. Now the first being contributing to the following with two ideas. You must present two items of information to your team. You need to provide two opinions. At least ask one question to obtain information, one question to clarify information from another group member, and thirdly, you need to offer constructive feedback in response to at least two contributions from other group team members. You need to undertake at least two tasks that help achieve the team's objective, bearing in mind these are tasks that have been allocated to you. You need to demonstrate your commitment to the team or group by attending planned meetings and completing all tasks that you have been allocated. And at least at all times your behavior needs to be in keeping with the expected behaviors and attitudes to which your team or group has agreed. Now, how will you show part A and part B of your assessment? This is how you prepare your assessment. In part A, your assessment questions you'll need to answer, followed by your evidence, which is your group work evidence. Part B will include a quiz on contribution to the team, followed by the evidence group work evidence. These activities can be found on FreshE. Now, you need to understand any questions that you do answer for your part A or part B need to be supported by the evidence in both your group work evidence and for part A and your group work evidence for part B. Recommended order of activities. We'll recommend conducting your first meeting, and in that meeting agreeing on the roles, objectives, and behaviors. Secondly, as a group, create a wiki on what was agreed on. So we would recommend watching the Learning How to Use a Wiki to learn how to do this. Part 3, answer Part A roles, objectives, and behaviors quiz. When that's done, continue your group work. Remember to save all agreed actions. This includes minutes, any agreements. If you've decided to use chat on such social media sites as Facebook or Viber, take a screenshot and save that into that forum. And lastly, answer part B of contributions to a team. If you need any help, don't hesitate to contact your facilitator on FreshE for more support.